Greetings everyone, my name is Miss Christy and today we are going to learn phonetics. First of all, to study phonetics, we must know what is the meaning of phonetics. Phonetics 0 to chuanin, phonetics to engi ani, phonetics omzia kan siyat masakput angay ani. Phonetics is the study of speech sounds. Phonetics kan ti tu speech sounds zir na ani a, tu kan chong chwa dan, kan chong rik dan kha chu mizir na chu phonetics ani. Phonics and phonetics. Phonics le phonetics si adang lam na enge kan ti chuanin phonetics kan ti chu scientific tak ka zirna ani maya amai ro chu phonics ti ya kan lam chuanin speech sounds language spoken language zirna chu phonics ti in kan soi thayang. As we said, phonetics is the scientific study of speech sounds. So the simplified form of phonetics is phonics. And we are going to pronounce as phonics. Alright, what is phonics? Phonics is a method for teaching or learning how to read and write an alphabetic language. It is done by demonstrating the relationship between the sounds of the spoken language and the letters or groups of letters or syllables of the written. And for chapter 1, we are going to learn the alphabet and letter sounds. Get ready everyone. Letter sounds change, but letter names do not. So let's learn the alphabet first, alright? Here we go. Please repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's forget the names of the letters and let's learn sounds. The sounds of English are like music. The vowel sounds are the melody of English. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Vowels can make many sounds. The other letters of the alphabet are the consonants. There are 19 letters and consonants, alright? Now let's learn the sounds of each letter. Please repeat after me. A, A. B, B. K, K. D, D. A, A. F, F. G, G. E, E. J, J. K, K. O, O. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. P, P. Qu, Qu. S, S. T, T. V, V. W, W. X, X. Y, Y. Z, Z. That's all we can learn from Chapter 1, the alphabet and letter sounds. Thank you, class.